Now, for those who are implementing AI use cases, just like me, you're going to scope an AI use case, you're going to build it, you're going to deploy it. But this whole entire time, we have to think about the economic value that is provided to the business in this case. And so for the results for the Copilot launch, these are kind of the raw statistics here. 154 Slack channels, 70,000 questions answered, 48.9% helpfulness rate, and this equated to 13,000 engineering hours saved. Now, Uber doesn't really detail how they came to this number and obviously the economic value of this, but this is how I would do it if I was running this project. You have 70,000 questions, you have 48.9%, which is roughly 34,000 successful questions resolved by the AI. If each question would have taken an engineer 20 to 30 minutes to resolve it, that would be approximately 11,000 to 17,000 hours saved, which is kind of our ballpark here in the 13,000 range. Obviously, we multiply by salaries, and then that's the economic value gained. However, that's not really the whole thing. What about the cost to run it? Now, Uber did implement a cost tracking system inside of it. And so they'd be able to track the spending per channel and also have an audit log for it. And so the calculation would look more like the 13,000 times the salaries of the employees minus the total cost to run here. And I want to stress this because this is really important for a couple of different reasons. First is identifying important use cases to start. So what is the ROI required when we do this use case? And then when we build it, you're going to need to consistently justify to upper management on, yes, this was a valuable use case. And then going forward, these additional improvements, if we improve the helpfulness rate by 5 or 10%, this is the additional economic value going forward. And then from here, this is still a viable project to continue funding for.